Hey, welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to start teaching you how to write proper templates in Claude so you get great results. Now, there are two types of prompts. I divide them in good prompts and bad prompts. Here's an example of a bad prompt. Write me an email to my team about the project delay. And that's it. So you see, this is very vague and I don't provide any context or anything. So I cannot really expect a good result that's customized based on my needs. I'm using Sonnet here and let's see what I'm gonna get. So if you don't provide Claude enough information from the start, it's gonna ask you some questions, such as this one. What is the reason for the delay? Technical issues, resource constraints, external dependencies, scope changes. And you can click on one of the options or skip this. Let me just click on technical reasons. And then it asks me what the tone should be. You can choose one of these options here. You can write something else or just skip it. If I skip it, it's gonna mark it as no preference. And now it's gonna write to me an email. But remember, this email is based on pretty much no context at all. And this is what it looks like. Hi team, I want to give you a heads up that we experienced a delay in the project due to some technical issues. And etc. etc. So you may think, well, this is good enough, I can customize it. That's okay if you really want a really simple draft, but remember, if you use Claude in this way, you then need to do a lot of customization and you're pretty much gonna spend the same amount of time and even more time fixing this vague draft compared to what you'll get if you create a great prompt in the first place. And let me show you what a great prompt looks like. I'm gonna open a new chat and I'm gonna write the following. I am a product manager at a B2B SaaS startup. We delayed our launch by 3 weeks because of a critical Q&A issue found during beta testing. Write as me, George, speaking to my engineering team. Draft an internal email that explains the delay, acknowledges the team's hard work, and outlines revised milestones for the next 3 weeks. Keep it under 200 words. Use short paragraphs. No bullet points. Warm and honest, not corporate. Think trusted manager, not PR statement. This is what a good prompt should look like. It provides context, it provides your role or the role that Claude should take, it provides action, format, and tone. And I'm gonna send this. And while it loads, let me show you what this is based on. This is based on the so-called craft prompting framework, where you provide context. Here's an example of a weak context and a good one. Role, action, format, tone. And here I provided some quick tips for you. And before and after. This is the vague prompt that we previously used, and this is the good prompt. And this one, the craft type of prompt, in 99.9% of cases, will provide you much better output from Claude compared to a vague one like this. So every time you want something from Claude, I'll advise you to use the craft prompting framework. And in the next lesson, I'm actually gonna provide you 50 templates for different prompts that you'll be able to utilize straight away. So you don't need to start from scratch. I'm going to provide you 50 prompts. You just customize them for your needs and you use them. And here's what we get when we provided the better prompt. First of all, we didn't have to answer any questions. We were straight away provided with the email. And this email will be much more customized and suited for your project needs. Now, if you don't like something, for example, the M dashes that appear here, you simply need to specify it in the prompt, no M dashes. Okay? So with the time, with you using Claude more and more, you understand how you should prompt it in a way that is going to provide you what you need on the first try. Now, let's proceed to the next lesson because I'm excited to provide to you the 50 prompts that you'll be able to use straight away.